How to record a voice memo on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Voice Memos application on your phone. The Voice Memos app is a built-in tool for recording audio. It allows for quick and easy recording, editing, and sharing of voice memos. Recordings can be edited, renamed, and shared via various methods like email or messaging. Once you're here, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the new folder icon. Here, enter a name for this folder. And then, tap on Save. You have now created a new folder over here. Tap to open this folder. Over here, tap on the record button below to start a voice memo. After recording, tap on the stop button to stop recording. Now, tap on the voice memo you just recorded. Tap on the play button to listen to it. If you want to delete this memo, then tap on the delete icon on the right. Following these steps, you can easily record a voice memo on iPhone.